My name is Nanditha. I am from BCA background, 2021 year passed, and my degree percentage is 72% from Siddhartha Institution of Business Management. My batch code is JCCM1. My designation is trainee engineer at Motive Mines Consulting Private Limited. About Jspiders is the best platform to gain technical knowledge required for IT. Trainers are very supportive and the teachers full of interest and make us to learn effectively. I would like to thank Keshav sir and Uday sir for taught me a Java very well. It was very helpful to crack the interview. Bhuvan sir classes are very admirable and he is do well. And Sharik sir taught Java programming very well. I would like to thank Keshav sir, Bhuvan sir, Uday sir, Lavanya sir, and Sharik sir once again for the best quality of teaching. HRs are very supportive in giving the opportunities and the interview for student get placed. Thank you, Jspiders.